Have you ever been told you're just too sensitive? Have you ever tried to calmly explain something that bothered you, and before you can even finish the sentence, she says, "You're just too sensitive"? Well, this happened to Jake. Not Jake, the State Farm guy, though. But he froze and looked at her and was like, "What the what?" He was trying to be vulnerable, only to be told his feelings were the problem. But what if I told you how to respond in that moment either can start a war or build a bridge for connection? And I'll tell you later how Jake actually fixed his problem. So let's talk about this. My name is Sulonda Smith. I'm a communication and relationship coach and psychotherapist, also big sister to 7 brothers. I have over 30 years experience helping men build stronger relationships, get more respect, more peace, and become the leaders of their families they dream of. If you want more peace and understanding and more connection at home, hit that subscribe button, okay? I bring weekly real talk, practical tools, and honest coaching. No fluff, just facts and transformation. And I really want to grow my channel. I'd love for you to help me. I haven't gotten to my first 1,000 yet, but I'm working on it. I'll be so happy if you subscribe to help me get there. Also, grab your free scripted guide. It's the ultimate cheat sheet, and it's packed with word-for-word scripts that can help you express yourself without the drama or the shutdowns, okay? All right, now back to the moment when she says, "You're being too sensitive." First off, let me say this as your coach. And like I told Jake, you might be feeling odd, but these feelings are yours. Being human means having emotions. Being a man doesn't mean burying them like a lost treasure. But I also get why that comment might hit so hard, because it sounds like you're not allowed to react. Your hurt isn't valid, or worse, you're weak. And let me be very clear here. You are not weak for having a moment. You are not weak for being disappointed, frustrated, or needing clarity either. So, how do you respond when she says you're just too sensitive? Let me give you 3 things you can do to avoid shutting down or having a shouting match or giving the silent treatment. Number 1, say this: "I hear you and I need you to hear me too." That little sentence is powerful. You're not denying her perspective, but you're inviting her to actually see yours. You got it? It keeps you grounded while you're still standing your ground. It turns the volume down and the maturity up. Number 2, don't fall into the trap of proving you're not soft. I know it can be tempting to get cold, sarcastic, or even shut down, but trying to out-tough the situation only makes you lose twice. Instead, keep your tone even, stay calm, and show her your real strength. You're in control emotionally, okay? Number 3, use humor to shift the energy when it fits, though. Sometimes you can say, "So me having a human reaction now gets me benched? Man, what page of the rule book is that on?" Done with a little humor can soften the tension and make her realize the impact of her own words without it being a full-blown confrontation. Now, let's be real, gents. Women will say things because they don't know what else to say to you, especially when you start communicating your emotions more clearly. You got it? Some women just weren't raised to expect that from men. And you being emotionally available might make her uncomfortable because she's not used to it, even though she's asking for it. That doesn't mean you retreat. It means you keep showing up in your truth while creating a space for her to grow. And if you're thinking, "Sulonda, I want to say the right thing, but when I'm in the moment, I go blank or I blow up." That's exactly why I made Scripted, the ultimate cheat sheets to fit most common communication problems. You should download that. It's filled with real life phrases. It gets to the point. It helps her understand you better. So here's what I want you to do. Reclaim your voice without raising your voice. Okay, is that tracking? Validate your experience even if she doesn't. And lead with calm, not control. Because when you know what to say, you don't have to second guess how to feel. Okay, so Jake, he told his girlfriend, when we were dating, you were really attracted to my sensitivity, but now for some reason it's not working for you. And when he said this in a place of power and openness. He said they talked and he maintained a strong, open mind and ability to shift and communicate what he needed, and his relationship actually improved. I'm Sulonda Smith. Men contact me when they want more respect, loyalty, and peace in the office and at home. So click the link in the show notes to grab your free scripted cheat sheets and use them. You don't need to be perfect, gents. You just need to be present. See you in the next one. I appreciate you.